Hi there, Jacob Bach from Stanley, North Dakota. Why is it every time I come to North Dakota that we get in some sort of blizzard or some sort of whiteout and I get frozen? My services are being canceled and I only have 4 days left, but the good news is that, you know, when we get terrible weather like this, I figure, well, there's got to be some sort of illustration in this, though I couldn't really think of one, except that I feel like I'm greeting you from Narnia, where it's always winter and there's never Christmas, except the fact that you know, sometimes evangelism feels like that way. You're out there planting and watering and it's stormy, things aren't always going the way you wish they would go, and yet one day Jesus will show up and revival will come and spiritual awakening will happen. So let's just keep plowing forward. Now that was a good one. Let's keep plowing forward in evangelism and let's keep doing what God's called us to do, and we will have a reward. I'm going to put on my hat now, and because I'm freezing. Blessings from North Dakota.